Wondering how to make her think about you? Well then, if you haven't watched the first part of this video, just click the I button on the top right corner. If you already did, let's go on with this video. Number 1. Be genuine in your compliments. Whoever said that the way to a woman's heart is through sweet talks and compliments got it partially right. Compliments are not biased to any gender, but then, men who do not forget to pay the right compliment at the right moment make a lasting impression. However, it's more important to be genuine than right. While cliched statements and elaborate hyperboles might get you a woman's attention, you may not be able to hold it for long if you're not genuine. Remember that there might be 10 men out there complimenting her looks in 10 different ways. How about you? Compliment how gracefully she walked to the stage and handled the audience. Perhaps add on how you liked her confidence. Make it more about her personality than her appearance, and you will definitely make a lasting impression on her. Number 2. How to make a girl think about you through text. Puzzled how to make a girl think about you through text? It's a great way to get her to start pining for you without actually physically being there. Once you understand the basic rules of texting, you will be good to go. While there are numerous ways to make yourself memorable when you're together, texts are the easiest trick to make a girl think about you when you're not around, assuming your girl is a text person and not a call person. If you've seen each other in the past, then bring up a meme about something you share in common. Is there an issue that troubles you both? How about the latest Marvel trailer? On a more intimate note, share a cozy, on-the-bed picture and remind her of what a great time you had. This online flirting trick is going to leave her wanted for more. Number 3. Dress well to make a girl think about you all the time. On the surface, it might be a trivial point to you, but good dressing and impeccable hygiene go a long way in making your mark in her mind. We cannot stress enough how wearing the right shirt with matching shoes is going to impact her judgment about you. Put on your smart clothes or comfy clothes, be yourself. But do ensure you're always smelling good and looking good. She needs to know that you put in an effort to look good for her. A lazy outfit is one of the biggest turn-offs for women. But the right outfit. She's not letting you out of sight or mind after that. I will be coming up with the next part of this video very soon. With that being said, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.